It's Halloween time. Happy Halloween, everybody. So, I know last year that I did a test. I just figured I would do that again. And this time I'll leave out this voice that I did. So, the lights will be off for the system. I don't know if you can see. Which you really can't. I will. Well, no. I want to keep the spooky effect. However you want to say it. So. It's like a no power system test. Actually, I should do that someday. So as you can see, I got that covered. And this is covered too. Because I don't want to spoil System Test 90. Which, yes, that is coming up. I need to order the alarms for the system, but you can see the SD system sensor 2151. I completely skipped out on that model number, so I don't know. You might not know what this is. You might not know what this is. That's a remote strobe, by the way. I'll hint that out. And the coding I'm gonna leave. The coding is actually for System Test 90, so kind of just spoiled something away for System Test 90, but hey, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna activate via smoke detector, so let's do this. I'm going to activate. First, I'll start with the Edwards, and then we'll do the system sensor. So here we go. This will be loud. Yeah, nothing's more scarier than California code. So, you kind of already know what the alarms are, so now let's do the 2151. Why exactly did I set down the camera and do that? I don't know. This is a magnet. Here we go. I'm gonna get trouble. And a fault. There's a NAC 1 fault because I did not bother putting resistors in either of the devices. So, yeah. So, that's actually gonna end it. So, yeah, nothing special. I wanted to put a light in because I figured it'd make it a really nice effect. Kind of what I did for the last one. Which in the last Halloween related test I had the MT, and then I think it was the 2903s. So both my light plate and my strobe plate, so unplug. Yeah. So, you know what? I'm just gonna end it off here. Hope you guys enjoyed. System Test 90 is coming. And regardless, you can kind of see I'm not trying to spoil away the surprises. And yeah. I didn't choose my loudest devices, nor did I choose my quote-unquote scariest devices. But the EH is pretty scary enough. So, thanks for watching and happy Halloween.